What's up, everybody? I want to go over this QQQ trade I just got out of. It was a break-even trade. So right here we have a bullish fair value gap from pre-market. Price had came and swept this 1 hour low. I did want to see a deeper retracement into the discounted range, but after we displaced up and broke structure, it made me more bullish. So we have this 2-minute fair value gap. We were rejecting it. Finally, it inversed it, and then I didn't even see that. I was looking at this 2-minute down here. But there's another 2-minute gap created off of the displacement move. Price retraced back into it, and I never go off of candle closes. Like, I go off of, like, if a candle closes above or below something, but I never go based off of, like, the shape of the body. But after this 1-minute close, this 2-minute fair value gap, and then that push up, I was like, okay, well, it's rejecting, it's holding bullish. We probably want to go up. So go back onto the 2-minute time frame. You can see price started to displace up. Now, I only entered one contract right here. Whenever I saw that close, I entered another contract to break even whenever I had gotten a drawdown. It was chopping for a second, and I kind of got scared. I was like, okay, well, it is chopping. This is a good setup. It's not the best, but it's a good setup. But I wanted to de-risk. So after I got in, I had sold my other contract to break even. So like, I think that contract I only lost like $1.70. Like, it was break even. Then right after I sold it right here, pushed up, hit TP1, and I was up 40%, I think, around 40%. But then I just held it because I was like, okay, well, I want to see us hit TP2 because I think this is going to be the draw. So, I'm sorry, I think this was the draw. I think we're going to go up from here. Well, on Webull, I set a trailing stop to break even. So whenever it hit down here, I did that just to de-risk. Whenever it hit my trailing stop, it stopped me out for $1 like 70 something or however much it was. I think, yeah, today it was like $1.70 or $1.30, I forgot. But yeah, now we're just chopping. This is a bigger stop loss than what I usually take. I was gonna keep my stop loss up here just to keep a better risk reward, but since I had only entered one contract, I was like, okay, well, I mean, if it does hit my stop loss, it's okay. But I was very confident that it wasn't going to, just because of how we just placed up. And then I saw this reaction right here, and I was like, okay, yeah, we're probably not gonna hit my stop loss down here. But yeah, the only thing I didn't do correct during this trade is I should have just trusted myself, because even if I did hold the other contract, I could have sold one right here, and then set a trailing stop on Webull for break even, just to help de-risk. That would have been the better approach. But given that we were choppy, I did want to just exit the contract because I thought about it and I was like, well, let's say there's a huge move down, I'm going to lose a lot more money than I want. So I should have just trusted myself, but it's okay, because still pretty much it turned into a risk-free trade. But I'm going to wrap this video up here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.